So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Revolut. Obviously, one of the cool things about Revolut is while it does work as a normal bank, you can also buy relevant cryptocurrencies for it as well. So first things first is you want to open up the Revolut app to this page here, and then you'll just want to click on the crypto section at the bottom here. Then it will just open you up to this page here, and you'll just want to select on Start Trading. Now, there is a chance that depending on where you are from, you may need to do a self-assessment just to confirm that you understand enough about crypto to make an investment. But it is nice and straightforward. Usually you'll only need to answer about 6 questions. But once you've got through the assessment, it will then greet you with your new crypto dashboard, where you'll then be able to start trading crypto. So to buy Bitcoin, it is nice and straightforward. You'll just want to click on the Bitcoin section at the bottom here. Then from here, it should then show you the chart of how much Bitcoin is currently trading for. Obviously, right now it is trading at 60,000 British pounds, but of course this can be quite volatile, as you may understand. But if you're happy with the trading price and you're ready to purchase Bitcoin, you can then go ahead and press buy. You'll be then asked to confirm how much Bitcoin you want to buy. So for the example of this video, we'll say we want to buy £50 worth. Then once you've done that, you'll then be asked to review the order. One thing to keep in mind is usually there'll be a fee, but this obviously can vary depending on how much Bitcoin you are buying. But if you're happy with the order, you can then go ahead and press confirm order at the bottom. And there you have it. And then from there, it should take you back to your crypto dashboard, where it will then display how much crypto assets you've got. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.